Okay, so welcome to today's video. In this video, we have a word problem regarding geometry here. The question is, Mrs. Pichai has a backyard garden. The garden is in the form of a circle with perimeter 132 meters. Find the diameter of the garden, and radius of the garden. Take pi to be equal to 22 on 7. With this question, we know that when you have a circle, what inscribes the circle is what we call the circumference. That's what they've given to us as perimeter here. 132 meters. So the parameters we have perimeter, which is 132. They give us pi to be 22 on 7. What we have to find is diameter and radius. There are two ways in which we can do that. So I'm going to use the formulas. So let me just drag this to one side. Okay, so circumference C can be equal to 2 pi r, which is pi is a 22 on 7. R is what I said is radius. C is what I said is circumference. Or C equal to pi d. So pi, which we already know, and d, which is diameter. So let me change the pen. Okay. So in this one, I am going to use the second formula to solve it. So using this formula, we now have C being equal to pi times the diameter, which is d. Okay. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to substitute the values. We have 132 as our circumference, which I stated is perimeter. We have 22 on 7 for our pi times d, which we don't know, and that's what we have to find first. Okay, so with that, what I'm going to do now is multiply 2 by 7. So we are going to get 132 times 7 is equal to 22d. And with this, we can divide 2 by 22. And when we divide 2 by 22, we are sure to get d to be equal to 42. But there should be a unit, which is meters, because the question was given to us with 132 meters being the perimeter. So don't forget to add the meters. So now we can clearly state that the diameter, is 42 meters. Now, with finding the radius has a formula which is r equals d, which is diameter, on 2. So basically, whatever you get for the diameter divided by 2 should give you the radius. So let me change the pen for more clarity. So r will be equal to what? 42 divided by 2. And now r will give us 21, which is also in meters. So we can state also that radius is 21 meters. So to do a quick check, we can use this formula I gave you to check to see if the circumference is indeed what they gave to us in the question. So let me bring it back to white. So we have C being equals to 2 pi r. So C is equal to 2 times 22 over 7 times our radius, which is 21. 7 can go into 21 3 times. So which will be left with 2 times 22 times 3. So C will give us what? 44. Which gives us 132 if you check from your calculator. This shows that the circumference is indeed 132, which they gave to us as our perimeter, and our answers are duly correct. So that is how to solve these types of questions. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the video to enjoy more exclusive content. And don't hesitate to reach out in the comment section if you have any challenge. See you next time in another video. Bye.